everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I am going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started. Hi everyone.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you a few kurti dupatta matching combination set. These we wear on daily basis, so it's very casual and comfortable to wear. You can make it up in many different ways, like wearing heavy contrast color dupatta with simple plain kurtis or vice versa. Pairing printed kurti with plain simple dupattas. There are n number of ways to style them. So here I am showing you few trendy design of kurti dupatta set which are in nowadays. So have a look on them and please do not skip the video. So I hope you like these beautiful combination of kurti dupatta set. If you want more such videos, then please comment down below in the comment section. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.